Hi, very welcome to this video about Mangools review. Now, Mangools is a very popular SEO tool that I will be reviewing in this video in detail to let you know if I think this is a good option for you or not. I also have some very special bonuses for you available. All of this is coming up right now. Okay, let's get started right away. I'm on the website of Mangools, the SEO tool. I'll leave some links below in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Now, why you need an SEO tool? Now, if you want to do search engine optimization, this used to be very simple. When I first started off doing business online, the SEO used to be very easy. You basically just had to do a little bit of on-page SEO, just have a few backlinks from no matter. It didn't really matter where they came from. Google didn't pay attention to that at that time. But over the years, Google has become smarter and more strict. So now SEO has become very complicated. So if you want to do well with SEO, and I'm talking about SEO for your website, your blog, your YouTube videos, you really need to do proper SEO because there's a lot of competition out there. So if you want to do well and be successful, then you need to do your SEO. And in order to do SEO properly, you really need to have a tool. And Mangools is a very good option. It's definitely not the most complicated, sophisticated tool out there. But it is a very practical tool because I do think that if you want to go really deep into analysis of everything, then maybe another tool is better. But if you're doing online marketing and you're busy and you want to promote your product, services, affiliate products, whatever it is, you want to be focusing on your business and you want to have a nice, straightforward, simple SEO tool that will help you to achieve your goals. And I think Mangools is a very good option for that. Now, what is so great about Mangools is that it really comes, it's basically five different softwares all in one. So you have the backlink analysis, the website analysis. This, of course, is the big one, the keyword research, the search engine results analysis, and the rank tracking. Now, the great thing is for just one fee, you have five softwares in one. So it's going to make your life a lot easier in terms of practical. Everything is in one system, but also financially because you only have to get one software and you have all these five different softwares all in one. Now, what is included in the Mangools SEO tool? Well, the big one is the keyword finder. Let's just go to the keyword finder. Let's just do a test. Let's say ClickFunnels, which is very popular at the moment, and let's just do a search. Okay, I'm just here in the test account. Let's say ClickFunnels. So basically you have all these different softwares all in one, and the keyword research definitely is the big one because you do need to do your keyword research because that is where it all starts. If you want to rank any web pages on Google, and if you're just going to do very difficult, high competition keywords such as ClickFunnels or Kartra or how to do SEO and so on, big keywords is going to be very difficult. So you need to start to do research and you need to start to find long tail keywords, so longer tail keywords, not just ClickFunnels, but how do you use ClickFunnels in a certain blah blah blah, you know, like this. But if you're going to do the research by yourself, without the tool, you can do it, but it is not going to be very accurate, because what you need to have, you can see here what they do in the system, you need to have data, you need to have information. And what is great is that they are going to show you exactly how many searches there are per month for that keyword, because you want to choose a keyword that has enough searches. You don't want to go too narrow and not have enough searches per month. So it needs to have enough searches, but the competition needs to be reasonably low. And the great thing is they have a grading system. So yellow is okay, but green is the best. Green is below 50. That's their well below 50 is that's their internal grading system. So you can start to do all your keyword research. If you want to have a blog post that you want to have ranked on Google, you can do all your research very quickly here, and you can choose your long tail keyword very quickly and easily in this SEO software. And then you can start to look at which one is the best, and you can start to look at the grading. So definitely choose one that that will be green, that will be low competition, but still has enough search engine rankings. Now that is definitely the big one. That's where it all starts with. But then also, of course, you need to do your they have a full website analysis, which they're gonna do a full profile of your website, and they're going to show you all the details that you need to know, your authority, the trust, the referring links, and so on. It's going to do a full review of your complete website, so that is very, very important. It's also going to do an analysis of your search engine result pages. So you can look at your own website, you can look at your competition, what are they doing, what are they doing right, how can you copy what they're doing. So really, really important stuff. Then also, definitely, if you want to rank highly on Google, you need to do your backlink analysis. Backlinks are still very, very important, but they are difficult to get. So you need to have a backlink tool that will show you where you can get your backlinks. And the best way to do it is just to go and look at what is your successful competition doing. So find your competitors who are successful and that you want to beat, basically, and put them in this tool, and you will see which websites are linking to them, and then you can go and contact those websites. So you can see here, then you can go and contact those websites and ask for a link to your website, because they're already linking to somebody in a similar industry, so there's a good chance that they will link back to you. And with this tool you can see exactly where they get the links from, and you can try to get a link yourself. So really, really important stuff. And also you can do rank tracking. I mean, I've done rank tracking for my different websites, and it takes so much time. So this is going to, you just put in your keywords, and you can keep track of your rankings. And basically that's the goal of SEO, is to see if is my ranking on Google improving or not. So instead of having to do everything manually, you can just set this up in the system, and you can see exactly what is going on, if you're doing things right or not, and you can adjust accordingly. So really, really a lot of stuff included in this one software, 5 different softwares all in one. Now let's take a look at the pricing. Now this is, you can see here, if you do an annual plan, you have immediately about 40% off, which is a really, really good deal. So you can start from just $29.90 per month. So it's definitely an affordable software. And if you keep in mind that this is 5 softwares all in one, I think this is a pretty good deal. So they have so many different features. Now the best thing for you to do is to go down to the link in the description below and get yourself a free trial, so you can try it out for yourself, because that's the best way to get to know this software and see all the potential that it has. Now I did mention that I was going to talk about a very special bonus that I have for you. So if you decide to get this tool, or even just a free trial, then I have some very special bonuses for you. These are the bonuses. Now the first bonus is the big one. That's the one I use all the time to get free traffic. So it's a cutting edge free Google traffic course, and these are free lessons on how to get unlimited income from both YouTube and Google. These are the techniques that I'm using myself all the time, so this is very, very valuable. Also, you will get my free how to become successful online training, which is the building blocks of how to run a successful online business. And also, I'm giving away two email marketing courses as well, so you can have all of these if you just get it just by getting a trial of the system. You can get all of this for free as your bonus. So do check it out. All details are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.